Hi everybody, in this guide I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Titty Bank app not working. If the Titty Bank app isn't working, you could go with the basic steps. First thing first, make sure you have a stable internet. So to check that out, you want to go to settings from your device and locate internet and network, after which you want to select internet, and here you could either go ahead and switch over to mobile data or maybe Wi-Fi, or maybe restart your router as well. That can also be able to fix. Now that you've done this, and other than that, what you also want to do is check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So open up your respective app store, tap on the search bar and type in Titty Bank on your device. As you do this, or as you type in Titty Bank, you then need to go ahead and make sure to check for an update if you have so. That might also be able to fix. However, if the issue still persists on, try cleaning your cache as well as data. Go to your respective, go to your settings and locate apps from the list. Locate Titty Bank from the list and scroll down and go to storage and cache and make sure to clear the cache as well. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, you can simply go ahead and reinstall your Titty Bank app. At the same time, restart your device. That might definitely help you out. If nothing works out, then you know what to do. That means contact the support team and they should be able to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.